My name's Rhodri Jones. I'm a police officer with Dyfed Powys Police. On the 19th of August 2023, we received a call to head up to the Elan Valley Dams. A member of the public phoned in saying his wife was trapped by one of the dams after her dogs had jumped over and she'd gone over to rescue them. When we arrived there, I could see that the lady was in immediate danger. She was clinging on to the side of the dam at the top of the sluiceway, desperately holding on to one of her dogs, and unfortunately the second dog was deceased at the bottom of the dam. She'd sustained serious injuries, so we had no time to wait. We had to act at that moment in time. We then made our way round, forced entry into a chamber that leads to the top of that sluiceway of the dam. I then jumped down about 8 to 10 feet, and I then crawled out and managed to grab the dog and the lady and pull them back into the chamber. There was no way back out, and we had to remain there for fire and rescue to get us out of there, basically. When I go into work every day, our primary role as police officers is to save or help members of the public. It just gives us immense satisfaction that we could help out of that moment of crisis. It's only when you look back on it that you realise how dangerous it was, that we just acted instinctively at the time. To be recognised in this way by the St David's Award stands out as one of my proudest, definitely.